In this video, I'll show you how to connect Notion to make.com. First, open your browser and go to make.com. Log into your account, then open your dashboard. From the left side menu, click on Scenarios, then choose an existing scenario or click Create a new scenario if you want to start from the beginning. Inside the scenario editor, click the plus button to add a new module. In the search box, type Notion, then select the Notion app from the list. Now choose what you want. Make.com to do with Notion. For example, you can watch database items, create a new database item, update a page, search objects, or retrieve information from a Notion database. After choosing the action, Make.com will ask you to create a connection. Click Add or Create a Connection, depending on what appears on your screen. A Notion authorization window will open. Log into your Notion account if needed, then select the workspace you want to connect. Notion may ask which pages or databases Make.com can access. Choose the correct pages carefully, because Make can only work with the pages you allow. Once permissions are selected, click Allow Access. After that, you will return to Make.com, and your Notion connection should appear inside the module. Now configure the module. For example, if you want to create a database item, choose the Notion database and map the fields from your previous module. You can add text, dates, numbers, emails, checkboxes, or other available properties. When everything is set up, click Run once to test the connection. If the scenario runs successfully, check your Notion workspace to confirm that the data was created or updated correctly. If Make.com cannot find your database, go back to Notion and make sure that Make has permission to access that page or database. Once the test works, turn on your scenario so Make.com can automate the process for you. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.